Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Your phone OS and the Gcash app are up to date because outdated software often triggers not secure warnings. Check date and time. If wrong certificates fail, make sure automatic time is enabled. Next, test on a trusted network. Public Wi-Fi can block secure handshakes. Once done, temporarily disable VPNs or proxies. These intercept certificates and cause errors. Now you're ready to move into deeper repair steps to restore secure connections. Now focus on certificates and app permissions because Gcash relies on valid TLS certificates and granted permissions. Clear the app cache and, if necessary, app data. This removes corrupted sessions, then force stop and reopen the app. Go to Settings, Security, and inspect user-installed certificates. Remove any unknown or developer certs that might intercept traffic. Also verify Gcash permissions, network, storage, camera, so the app can complete authentication. After these changes, restart the phone to apply. Finish by reinstalling Gcash from the official App Store or Play Store to ensure a clean install. Restart the phone and test login to verify secure connection. If errors persist, reset network settings. This clears DNS or proxy misconfigurations, but back up saved Wi-Fi passwords first. Make sure automatic updates and trusted credentials are enabled. If still unresolved, contact Gcash support. Provide screenshots, exact error messages, device model, OS version, and the steps you tried so they can reproduce and resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.